Are you getting generation errors in Suno AI? Whether your song won't generate, the process gets stuck, or you receive an unexpected error message, there are several simple fixes you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Suno AI generation errors in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the Suno AI page and try generating your song again. Temporary connection issues or server delays can sometimes interrupt the generation process. Waiting a minute before trying again can also help during busy periods. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection drops while a song is being generated, the request may fail before it's completed. A reliable internet connection is important for AI music generation. Take another look at your prompt. Extremely long prompts, unclear instructions, or unsupported content may sometimes cause generation problems. Try simplifying your prompt while keeping the important details. I mean, shorter, well-structured prompts often produce more reliable results. Open your subscription page and confirm that you still have available generation credits if your plan includes usage limits. If you've reached your limit, you'll need to wait for more credits or upgrade your subscription. Take a moment to review your account status. If the error continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using a different browser or device. Browser extensions can also interfere with the generation process, so consider disabling them temporarily. This can often solve browser-related issues. If nothing works, check whether Suno AI is experiencing a temporary outage. If the servers are operating normally, contact Suno AI support and include the error message along with details about your browser and device. So you've learned the most effective ways to fix Suno AI generation errors, and that's how to fix Suno AI generation errors. Most problems can be solved by refreshing the page, improving your prompt, checking your account, or waiting for temporary server issues to pass. I mean, if the error keeps happening, Suno AI support can help you investigate the issue further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.